Hello everybody, and welcome back to Minecraft. Now, I'm not in the usual world because at the beginning of the summer, the last day of school, my friend told me that I have to build the Titanic to keep our friendship. So I'm like, okay, bet. But I worked all summer to build this, and dear friend, I'm not going to say your name because of privacy reasons. I clearly found out by watching Scrubby. Here's your boat. Here's your Titanic. And you should be nice and proud about it. Yep, there's Titanic. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love the detail on the flag. The sail. That's the proper term. I love the detail on the sail. It's pretty. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. I'll see y'all later. Okay, guys, you clearly have to be think I'm joking. Yeah, you see my humongous boathouse I built. So, yeah. But I'm sorry, friend. I procrastinated all summer, couldn't build it, so there's also a secret entrance inside my boathouse. But I'm really sorry. Of course, it has to rain on. See, the rain even expresses my feelings. I'm really sorry. Yeah. I can't clarify how much I'm much of a bad friend. Oh yeah, I forgot. I built this on top of my boathouse. Yeah, I was kidding, friend. Here's your Titanic. It took me all summer, many all-nighters to get the materials, put all the blocks together, and build this son of a gun. I can't explain to you how long this has taken me. This ship is over 500 blocks long. Now, of course, I did not make this model because I'm not that great at building. I'm a copier more than a builder. But in the description, I will put the playlist of the guy that created the design of this ship. He gets all credit. He was saying in his video, I can film it, I can show it, as long as I give him credit. But I think his name is like Richie something. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll make sure to put it in the description. But yeah, this Titanic is the biggest project I've ever built in my life. Many all-nighters. I can't explain to you how much squids I had to kill to build that bottom. Because you have to figure, all this is concrete, then I had to go through the nether 1,000 blocks to get the yellow terracotta. Then some of this is quartz, like this, so I had to go mine for quartz. And it's just, you don't know how much pain I went through. Thank God. In the newest update, they fixed the iron farms, so they don't work as they do. Iron farms don't work anymore. But I had a bunch of iron enough to build all these anvils for the designs and stuff. I just can't explain to you how dreadful this was. When I finally got to the last video, which was like 49 minutes, and he said, "That's it, guys," my heart dropped. I was so happy. So happy. Now, a little thing I found out while watching videos and doing it. Apparently, the Titanic only has 3 funnels. The 4th one's fake and just makes it so it looks more powerful. Yeah, I didn't realize that at all. Honestly, I knew nothing about Titanic except it went underwater. But apparently it's British, I think. And yeah, but you have to admit, this is awesome. So much sand I had to get, so much gravel I had to get. I had to fly like, no joke, 20,000 blocks to find the nearest gravel hill biome. Just stupid. And then all the oak trees that died in this making. Yeah. But I'm stundified. I have nothing to say. I really don't. Other than I built the Titanic. Almost split your name. Friend. Now, hopefully you see this because you watch all my videos. You're welcome. That's literally going to be the name of the video. You're welcome. Because, oh, this took me so long. Now, let me just give you a point of reference. Nothing's inside of this. Fudge. This thing is hollow. It's just details on the outside, nothing's inside. Now, when I get bored, I might... Oh, that's a creeper. Fudge that. Now, if I get bored, I might put some stuff inside, but... Show you. Nothing's inside. Nothing. So, yeah. But this is building my survival world, my other one, not the world survival world DS, but one survive. But yeah, I have nothing to say actually. I actually got my creeper farm to work. Apparently, I was missing a certain type of block which allows creepers to spawn in near proximity in closed places. So it works perfectly. I got a whole shulker box in one night, so I'm pretty stunned. But yeah. I have nothing to say, honestly. You can see lifeboats right there. I was honestly debating if I should put a big giant iceberg in front of it so it's about to hit it. But yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, I swear. Apparently while I was building this, the 4 Horsemen Apocalypse again spawned. I just killed them for their stuff. Plus they attacked me while I was building these. I just built the 4th. They spawned right here. I built the 4th one and they started attacking, so I just killed them. So yeah. Sorry, I have nothing else to say. But yeah, I'm just stunned. I did a little bit tweaking around my house. Like I found this glitch. I've not seen anybody else find this glitch before. But I found this glitch where for some reason, I'll show you how crazy this is. It's stupid. I found, hopefully Microsoft or whatever that do these games. My world is so laggy when I load in the new chunks. It's crazy. Oh, I thought the sticky piston was a creeper. Oh, I hate myself. I really do. Oh, one thing. Remember I showed you my lair? My edgy lair. So I had to go to the nether and mine thousands and thousands of blocks to get enough bricks. And I was going through all my chests, and when I mined out the nether fortress to make my wither skeleton farm, I forgot I had a whole chest of nether brick right here to use. And after I show you the glitch, I'll show you how much I have, and it's unreal. So for some reason, with certain blocks, I'm not going to tell anybody because I don't want Microsoft to find out, that you put certain blocks and certain objects next to each other, they cause a something. I'm not going to explain it, but you can just see that in this small, let's see, 8 by 8 by 6, which quick maths, 22 block proximity, and like 10 blocks tall. It just throws out enemies ridiculously stupidly. Yeah, they can still hit me. And for some reason, no joke, Vindicators are spawning, which they only spawn in wood biomes inside mansions. So I don't understand how and why they're here. And they spawn inside this machine, but they do. They do, indeed. But you should see when there's like so much enemies in here is ridiculous. And I just gained so many levels. It's beautiful. If you go down here, you just see chests upon chests full of their lives. Yeah, okay, let me show you the nether bricks I have left over from the project that I have no use for. Not 1, not 2, not even 3, but 3 stack and 59 bricks left over from that project, and yeah. Big thing. Why is there sand there? Enderman, I swear. But the next project, because I play this world on the side because the other world I only do during videos. So when I'm playing Minecraft Survival, I just come to this world and survive. That shows that Titanic. You can't see Titanic from here. Jesus. But the next project is this project, which is going to be a big giant pyramid because why not? There's a desert biome right next to my home. Why won't I build a pyramid? So yeah, that's it. have nothing else to say because there's nothing else to show in this world. I mean, I got bamboo growing everywhere. That's about it. But if you guys want more updates on this world, the farther I progress through it, you just say so. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself for finishing out Titanic, and I saved our friendship, friend. I didn't ruin it. I kept my promise. Now, if you break our friendship, I will never forgive you. I'm joking, but yeah, that would be it for this. What the? Oh, it's whoa. Well, yeah, that's it. So, I will do another video of my other survival world, finishing the farmhouse. But I really want to get this out before some school starts, which currently right now it is Thursday, 7:07 p.m. and school starts next Tuesday. So yeah, that'll be it, guys. And I'll see y'all later.